Mastering formal greetings, using titles and honorifics. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of formal greetings in the English language. We'll focus on an essential element, using titles and honorifics. By the end of this lesson, you'll greet people with the respect and elegance they deserve. Titles and honorifics are prefixes or suffixes added to a person's name to convey respect, professional status, or a particular relationship. In many cultures, using the correct title or honorific is a sign of politeness, especially in formal situations. 1. Mr. used for adult men, regardless of their marital status. 2. E.g., hello, Mr. Smith. 3. Mrs. used for married women. 4. E.g., good evening, Mrs. Jones. 5. Miss, traditionally used for unmarried women. 6. E.g., how are you, Miss Taylor? 7. Ms. a neutral title for women regardless of their marital status. 8. E.g., it's nice to meet you, Ms. Anderson. 9. Doctor used for individuals who hold a doctorate, whether it's medical or academic. 10. E.g., may I ask a question, Dr. Martinez? Sometimes, you might need to address someone formally without knowing their name. Here are some general honorifics you can use. 1. Sir, for men. 2. E.g., excuse me, sir, could you help me? 3. Ma'am, pronounced ma'am, for women. 4. E.g., thank you, ma'am. When addressing someone with a title, it's polite to include other formal phrases. Pleased to meet you, Mr. Davis. Thank you for your time, Dr. Lee. May I introduce myself, Miss Thompson? Remember, it's always better to err on the side of formality. If you're unsure, use the title and a polite tone. That wraps up our lesson on titles and honorifics in formal greetings. By using the appropriate titles and maintaining a respectful tone, you can make a great impression. We hope this video has added a touch of elegance to your English greetings. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.